Hi everyone, it's Chiyu from iHeartUmami.com. Today we're going to make a paleo spaghetti squash noodles with cashew cream sauce topped with crispy minced pork. So let's get cooking. Soak the raw cashew nuts overnight or for at least 2 hours so it will be easier to blend later on. Carefully slice the spaghetti squash from tip to end. Drizzle with olive oil and coarse sea salt. Place cut side down and bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, season the minced pork with your favorite spices. Pan fry them until golden brown and crispy. Blend the cashew nuts with coconut milk, water, sea salt, and onion powder until creamy and smooth. Gently separate the flesh into strips horizontally to make the longest noodles. While the noodles are still hot, toss with cashew cream sauce. Top with crispy minced pork and pair it with your favorite veggies. Delicious! To download the full recipe or to find more everyday Asian-inspired paleo cuisine, come visit me at iHeartUmami.com. I will see you there.